Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond, it is a chemical bond. First thing, it is a chemical bond. Student, it is a bond between hydrogen, bond between hydrogen and more electronegative element. More electronegative element. Why does hydrogen and more electronegative element form bond between them? Due to hydrogen electronegative element form bond due to dipole-dipole interaction. Due to dipole-dipole interaction. What do you mean by this? For example, if we have one molecule of hydrogen fluoride, one more molecule of hydrogen fluoride, one more molecule of hydrogen fluoride we have, then what will happen? You know very well, fluorine. Fluorine is the group number 17 element. In group number 17 element, halogens exist, and halogens are the more electronegative element. And fluorine is the most electronegative element in whole periodic table. Clear or not? So here, you know very well, hydrogen has one electron in outermost shell, and fluorine because it is element of group number 17, so it has 7 valence electrons in outermost shell. So this hydrogen need one more electron for completing their duplet, and fluorine need also one more electron for completing their octet, means for getting stability. Both of them, they need one electron. So what they can do? They can share, mutual sharing they can do. One electron can be shared by hydrogen and one electron can be shared by the fluorine. So by mutual sharing of the electron, they are sharing both one electrons, so they are forming single bond between them. But students, here fluorine is more electronegative. Here fluorine is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So this fluorine has more tendency to attract this shared pair of electron towards itself. Clear or not? Because this bond is formed by sharing of the electron, and both hydrogen and fluorine have shared their electron. But fluorine is more electronegative, and electronegativity means tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Clear to you or not? Then what will happen? Because it has more tendency to attract these shared pair of electron towards itself, so negative, partial negative charge will attain on this one, because this bond is not breaking. Bond is here, but this pair is more close to the fluorine due to its more electronegative character. Clear or not? And partially positive charge will attain on this hydrogen. It is clear to you or not? Then what will happen, students? Here, partial positive charge attaining by hydrogen and partially negative charge attaining by this. Here in second molecule also, partial positive charge at hydrogen and negative charge at fluorine. In third molecule also, it will happen. Then, you know very well, if in a container, we are taking hydrogen fluoride, so it is not possible to take only one molecule of hydrogen fluoride. There will be a number of the molecules. So these molecules are also interacting with each other, because for example in water, we can't see individual molecule there. Why? Because all molecules are attracting with each other. They are forming bond with each other. Clear or not? So like here we have benches. So we can see individually. I can count them also. How many benches are there in this room? Because they have distinct boundary. They are not forming bonds between them. Clear or not? But water molecules are forming bond between them. So they are interacting with each other. So we can't count them how many molecules of water are present in a glass. Clear or not? So like that, here also, this is one molecule of hydrogen fluoride, this is second one, third one. So these molecules are interacting with each other. How they interact with each other, now we will see that. Here, this fluorine has negative charge on this, and this hydrogen has partially positive charge on this. So positive and negative, opposite charge will attract each other. Opposite charge will attract each other. So here, this bond between hydrogen and more electronegative element. An interaction formed between them, and this is known as hydrogen bonding. This is known as hydrogen bonding. And here, these two molecules are attracting with each other by forming hydrogen bonding between them. It is clear to you or not? So this one is also forming bond with the next molecule of the hydrogen fluoride. So this is known as the hydrogen bonding. So students, what is the hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bonding, the bond between hydrogen and more electronegative element. Bond between hydrogen and more electronegative element is known as the hydrogen bond. It is clear to you or not? This bond is due to the dipole-dipole interaction. What do you mean by dipole-dipole interaction? Pole means positive and negative pole. Due to difference in electronegativity, here charge develop. Positive charge develop on hydrogen and negative charge develop on more electronegative element like fluorine, like chlorine, like oxygen. Okay, so here negative pole of this molecule and positive pole of this molecule, they are interacting with each other. They are interacting with each other. So two pole are interacting with each other, positive and negative pole. Two pole are interacting with each other. So this type of interaction, this interaction between positive and negative pole, this interaction is known as the dipole-dipole interaction. Clear or not? So why they are forming the bond between them? They are forming the bond between them due to the dipole-dipole interaction. It is clear or not? Yes. Then students, There are two types of the hydrogen bonding. First one is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Second one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So what do you mean by the intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Same, and they may be the different, but there will the interaction between two or more molecules is known as the intermolecular. Clear or not? Means molecule will be different like this. If I talk about water, so you know very well this is one molecule of the water. Again, here this is second molecule of the water. This one is third molecule of water. So here, this is one molecule and this is second molecule. Both are the water molecules, but they are different molecule, not in the same molecule. Clear or not? So molecules may be the same type of molecule there will be, but molecules will be different. This is one hydrogen water molecule and this one is second water molecules. Clear or not? Then students, here again you know very well this oxygen is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. So positive charge will attain by hydrogens and negative charge will attain by oxygen. Here also it will happen. Here also it will happen due to electronegativity difference between hydrogen and oxygen. Then between these molecules, dipole-dipole interaction take place, and due to this interaction, they form the bond between hydrogen and more electronegative element. So they form hydrogen bond between them. This is also hydrogen bond. Here molecules will be different. This is one water molecule, this is other water molecule, but molecules may be same or different also. Clear or not? Like one water. So both molecules are of the same type. All molecules are of the same type. We can have molecule of the different type also, like hydrogen bonding between alcohol and water. What is alcohol? Let us consider I am taking ethanol, or directly we can write ROH because R group may be any methyl ethyl, propyl, butyl. Clear or not? So here I can write in this way also. And one molecule of water I am having. One molecule of water. So students, I can write alcohol molecule in this way. Okay. And water molecule in this way. One more alcohol molecule I am having here. So here you can see again, you know very well, oxygen is more negative as compared to this R group. R group means alkyl group, means it is forming bond with carbon. And you know very well, if we move left to right, then electronegativity increases. So here oxygen is more electronegative as compared to carbon also. Okay, so negative charge will attain on this one and positive charge attain on this one. Clear or not? Here also negative charge on oxygen and positive charge on carbon and hydrogen. Clear or not? Now here positive and negative dipole dipole interaction. Due to dipole dipole interaction they form hydrogen bonding. Here also hydrogen bonding. So students, in case of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, what will happen? In case of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, what will happen? There will formation of hydrogen bond take place between two molecules. Clear or not? These two molecules may be different, like alcohol and water. These are forming the hydrogen bond, and these may be the same, like here hydrogen bonding between water molecules. We are having same type of the molecules here, and they are forming hydrogen bond between them. Clear to you or not? Then second one type is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding what do you mean by the intramolecular hydrogen bonding? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is that in which formation of hydrogen bond take place within the same molecule. Within the same molecules, we will not make the bond between two molecules there. In one molecule there will be formation of hydrogen bond take place. Clear or not? You will understand this with the help of example. If two groups are present there, like one is alcoholic and one is nitro group, this one, 2 nitro, 1 2. At 2 position nitro group is here, 2 nitro phenol. 2 nitrophenol it is. I can write it in this way. There should be 2 functional groups. Here one functional group is alcoholic and second one is the nitro. Clear or not? So in one group there should be hydrogen, and in other group there should be electronegative element. I can write this nitro group in this way and this OH group in this way. Clear or not? So here, what will happen? Between this hydrogen and this oxygen, hydrogen bonding take place. Formation of hydrogen bond take place between this hydrogen and this oxygen. Clear or not? So, in case of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, one alcohol molecule, one water molecule, here molecules are the different, two or more molecules are there. But in case of intra, hydrogen bonding is taking place only in one molecule, one compound. It is clear to you or not? So this is known as the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Any doubt in this? Yes. Yes, Badal. What do you mean by intramolecular hydrogen bonding? Clear to you or not? Now, if we talk about properties of the hydrogen bond, first one is the volatility. What do you mean by the volatile? Volatile means the substances which can suddenly convert into the vapors, which can convert suddenly into vapors, are known as the volatile substance. But students, if I talk about the hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bond is weaker than ionic bond and covalent bond. But stronger than van der Waals force of attraction. So it is a strong bond as compared to van der Waals force of attraction. Due to strong bond as compared to van der Waals force of attraction, it has high boiling point. Means it cannot, the compounds which form hydrogen bond, they cannot boil at low temperature. You know very well, water is forming hydrogen bond between their molecule. So its boiling point, what is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. So it is not so low. Okay, so it is 100 degrees Celsius. Why it is? Because they are forming hydrogen bond. Okay, and it is less volatile. Yes, water can convert into the vapors, but not at very low temperature it can convert. Clear or not? So hydrogen bonds are stronger than van der Waals force of attraction, so they are not so weaker. If molecules form hydrogen bond between them, then they are less volatile in nature. Like, if I give example to you, acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3COCH3. If two molecules of acetone are there, so they cannot form hydrogen bonding between them. Because they are not forming hydrogen bond. So they are more volatile. They can convert easily into the vapors. You use the acetone for nail paint remover, so it can be converted into the vapors easily. You know very well why it is, because they are not forming hydrogen bonds. Clear or not? Because water molecules are forming hydrogen bonding, so they are volatile but not convert into vapor at very low temperature. We need to heat them. Clear or not? So hydrogen bond make the molecule strong, and due to formation of hydrogen bond, they have high boiling point and they are less volatile. Any doubt in this? Okay, so today we have discussed about the hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is the bond between hydrogen and electronegative elements. There are two type of the hydrogen bond. One is intermolecular, second one is intramolecular. In intermolecular, hydrogen between two or more molecules. Molecule will be same type or different type, and in intramolecular hydrogen bonding will take place in one molecule only. Clear or not? Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.